Hi, I'm Szot, VP of Customer Innovation at Esper, and devices are everywhere out in the world today. Have you noticed? You go to the airport, you check in at a kiosk, you go to a restaurant, you can order using a device off the table. You use your connected fitness equipment at home, delivering you content and experiences. This is a very important part of how businesses are delivering value today to their customers. So part of this is, well, if you're entering into it, what do you do? How do you figure it out? That's where we've introduced a series of 9 videos that will take you through that journey to help you figure out how you bring dedicated devices into your business mix. It goes all the way from app considerations, how hardware and devices fit into your business model, and what type of operating system you should choose to base your dedicated devices on. This series, 9 parts again, you can get to it from esper.io/geek, and we're into it. We're very passionate about devices. We hope you are too. That also means we're happy to talk to you, so if you're interested in learning more, please reach out to us directly at Esper. We're happy to jump in. Thank you.